Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's start with the tutorial. First I'm starting with hydrating my lips. For this I'm using Kiko Milano lip balm. You can use any lip balm. After applying it on my lips with my fingertip, I'm going back and forth. Then I'm taking tissue paper and removing the excess balm. By now my lips are pretty much hydrated. Next I'm using nude color from Anastasia palette. With the help of lip brush, I'm lining the upper lip line and dragging it downward to the lower lip line, and then filling the whole lower lip. Repeating the same for the other upper lip line. Next, for contouring my lip, I'm using dark shade from the same palette. With the help of lip brush, I'm lining my lips, but this time I'm overlining them a little bit. Creating a vertical line in the center and both the side of my lip. For giving them plumper look, I'm using light color lip shade and blending everything all together. But remember, we don't have to overblend. The colors we have applied should be visible. Next, I'm defining my lip with the help of angular brush and concealer. Then I'm applying a contour shade between my cupid's bow to make them look more prominent. Applying little bit on the side of my upper lips too. Blending it with the beauty blender. And finally finishing the look with lip gloss. If you want, you can skip this step too. It totally depends upon your choice. Thank you for watching, guys.